Another thing is the post-show weight gain. Now, we had Lane Norton on the show, and he brought up a study, which I then read later, which I thought was fascinating, where they showed that when you go from dieting and then extreme calorie surplus, not only do you increase the size of your fat cells, but you increase the number of your fat cells. Yeah. And the question is, we don't know if you, even when you lose weight, if you decrease the fat cell number. So then you're stuck with more fat cells. Yep. Now, anecdotally, from talking from athletes and bodybuilders and competitors, they have said to me, oh yeah, the more times I get shredded, balloon up, it becomes more and more difficult to get leaner and sharper like I did before. Yep. And I'm wondering if it could be that effect. So the big thing is minimizing that ballooning effect post-show. Like, what are some strategies you've told your athletes?
And there's so many levels to why that happens, right? Because you're getting thyroid dysregulation, you're getting metabolic dysfunction, sometimes you're even getting GI distress. Your hormones become downregulated because you're taking less calories, and then people start eating more, and all of a sudden, your body wants to balloon up. So strategies, it's got to be slow. Your rebound needs to be slow. So think about it like this. We're going into a contest. Most people are training 1 to 2 times a day, eating a very low amount of calories. Then after the show, they're going to increase the calories and decrease the number of workouts. It's just a bad combination, right? So what you got to do is either slowly ramp up your calories or keep your workouts high. So one or the other, and certainly don't do both. And so the way we approach it is I'll typically keep fats low post-contest and increase carbs progressively, because it seems as though your body is more prone to storing fat on a high-fat diet. And I've experimented with everything, man. Like I'm a constant experimenter. And no matter who it is, en masse, I find it seems better to increase carbohydrates slowly and progressively while keeping fats, I don't want to say minimum, but keeping fats in check. So I don't want to give a range.
You're still eating adequate amount of fat, right? To cover fat soluble, all that stuff.
But it's basically just covering your foundational fats, right? It's covering your omega-3s, covering your omega-6s.
Right.
So your monounsaturated.
Sure.
So not your 6s. So that's basically it. Rather than, people are like, oh, I'm going to have more saturated fat. I'm going to put in more like just high amounts of fat. No, like olive oil, avocado and avocado oil and fish oils. So that's really it.
Excellent. And slowly ramp up the calories or slowly decrease the activity. It's like you got to pay attention to your post-show diet as much as you do to the pre-show.
Yeah. And honestly, like with most of my clients, I'll give them one meal after a contest, like eat what you want, enjoy the night, and we're back on the train tomorrow, because habits are very important too, right? If you create great habits around food, they stick for the rest of your life. If you create bad habits, you're in trouble. And I find that if people are given multiple days after a contest, good luck getting back on the dieting bus, right? You eat one meal, eat whatever you want, go with your family, go with your friends, and then you're right back on the diet the next day. So that you just re-establish that habit of, successfully.
Minimize metabolic damage, minimize potential hormonal issues, and make competing as healthy as possible, I guess.
And you're going to make your brain, if you're going to go have like a bunch of junk after the contest, dopamine, serotonin, and your brain's just going to go, I need more. So
and then good luck trying to eat healthy again or clean again.
So it's near impossible. So set yourself up for success by creating good habits.
Excellent. Thanks for coming on the show. I appreciate it.
Dude. Always here for you, man.
Appreciate it. So check it out. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll visit periodically to try and answer those for you. Also, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos all the time.